In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to thoroughly test your Mailchimp campaign before sending it out to your audience. This is an important step to ensure that everything is working perfectly and looks exactly how you intend it to. So let's dive in and go through the process step by step to guarantee your campaign is polished and professional. First, you'll want to open up your Mailchimp campaign. Once you're in, look for the option labeled Preview and Test. This feature is your gateway to ensuring everything in your campaign is as it should be. Click on it, and you'll be presented with several options that will help you check your work. The next step is to select Send a Test Email. This is an invaluable feature because it allows you to experience your campaign just as your audience would. In the space provided, enter your email address. It may seem straightforward, but this step gives you the opportunity to catch any mistakes you might have missed on screen. Once you receive the test email, take the time to review it thoroughly on various devices and email clients, such as smartphones, tablets, and desktop computers, as well as different email services like Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo. This is crucial because your email might look great on a computer screen, but not so much on a mobile device. Checking it across platforms helps ensure that your audience will see your email exactly as you intended, no matter where they open it. Next, use Mailchimp's Inbox Preview tool for more detailed testing. This tool provides a more comprehensive analysis of how your campaign will appear in different inboxes. It simulates how your campaign will look in over 40 different email clients, which can save you time and provide peace of mind knowing that your email looks professional everywhere. When reviewing your test email, pay close attention to details such as links, images, personalization, and formatting. Check that all the links redirect to the correct pages and that any images are clear and correctly positioned. Personalization is key in creating engaging emails, so make sure any personalized content, like the recipient's name, is displaying properly. Also, review the formatting to ensure everything aligns correctly and the text is easy to read. After reviewing all these elements, make any necessary adjustments before sending your campaign to your full audience. This could involve tweaking wording, fixing broken links, or making sure images load correctly. Remember, this is your chance to create a flawless email experience for your recipients. And there you have it. Testing your Mailchimp campaign thoroughly before hitting send is essential to catching potential issues and ensuring your communication shines. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has helped streamline